The Carpuride W903 works really well with Apple Carplay because right now I have my phone here, but I can go to my maps right now, and if I want to, I can go here, I can tap on the map, I can search for my destination, I can go for some coffee, like my favorite Eon coffee, like that, and it works great. I can tap go, and the audio will go through my car stereo.
Starting route to Eon Coffee.
Really nice,
Head
right?
southeast on Alvarado Street.
And then if I want to, I can play some music right now. There, it goes to my car stereo too. So this is amazing. This is Apple CarPlay, and then I also have a dash cam right here. If I wanted to, let me pause the music. Let me show you my dash cam right here. I can go to dash cam. I got a 2.5K HD dash cam that I can go up and down on this thing. It's really nice. I can even rotate it inside right here. If I wanted to, I can do internal recording, and I can also change the angle of this down, up. It's really cool, right? And last but not least, you can hook up a backup camera if you want to. This is an amazing CarPlay device, and everything just works really well. I like it because it is bright and it's easy to read. There's a sensor that makes this brighter during the day and darker at night, so it's not too bright. And because I have a convertible top, it's very important. This is one of the few CarPlay screens that actually works well in my convertible because it's very bright outside, and this one works really well. So anyway, I can go back to my CarPlay, I can play my music, I can go to the map right here, and I can go drive. I can keep my phone in my pocket, or I can keep it here. It's all good right here. Let's go. There we go. The Apple CarPlay is amazing. This is the Carpuride W903. Oh yeah.